What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another Rotate vlog. As usual, I am Wiley. Today we're going to be doing some stuff with the boys. Me, myself, Roy, and Danny will be linking up to do some stuff to Roy's car. He actually, finally, he's been wanting some low glow for a long time for his car. And he got that in about a week now. So we're going to help him install that and see how it all works out and stuff. Do some other stuff, you know, in between. I'm thinking maybe redo the clear coat on my wing, my spoiler that's chipping and fading. So, and maybe wash the cars. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, but first and foremost, I am on my way to get a haircut because as you can see, my hair is crazy. I just got off the phone with Danny. He's also getting a haircut, and then Roy's also getting a haircut as well. So somehow we just all coordinated to get haircuts without realizing it. It's funny. But yeah, so I will bring you guys along for the journey as usual and enjoy. All right, guys, update. We got our haircuts, like I mentioned. We just happened to all get haircuts today. Even Danny got one. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we're here to install. We got Roy's car. He's all lowered out. Look at him. And this is what we're doing today.
Low glow.
Low glow.
If you guys know about this, you know that they're like sold out for the longest, yeah. And it's really hard to get.
Wow, let's see. Hey, Roy, thank you so much for supporting what we're doing. I can't wait to see you lighting up the road with us. That's dope.
Yeah, this guy really hooked it up. Let me find his name. I hit him up on Instagram because I know for a fact that they're like backdoored.
Yeah, they're always backordered.
In
the meantime, you guys can look at my ugly POS. You know, because I don't got that Roy money.
Okay, I don't know what his name is, but they responded pretty quick on LOWGLOW. So he told me he had a set available that was canceled and sent it right away.
Dope. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Let's see how easy or quick the install is. Not too sure. I didn't really look up any vids on it on how to install, but it should be fairly easy, I guess. So let's do it. All right, guys, first things first, Roy bought a side skirt. So we're gonna install that so that the lights can go underneath them. And so that's what we're in the process of doing. So, update for you guys. Skirt is on. It actually looks pretty cool. And then we already started, I don't know if you guys can see underneath, we started putting the logo. And guess who just pulled up? Fresh cut and all. Look at him. Ladies, he's single. Woo! Oh yeah. What's up?
Well for a second.
It's the fresh cut gang, yo.
Yes, sir.
All three of us. All three of us, yeah. All right, guys. So the whole right side of the car has the LOWGLOW. The front, I don't know if you can see that stuff dangling down. Now we're gonna do the left side and the back. We're also doing the Rotate cornhole board, little by little. And I'm taking my spoiler off so I can clear coat it, or well, wet sand it first. And Danny's dying.
Heat.
It's hot.
It is very hot today. I don't know why we picked today to do it, but.
All right, guys, just an update. We already put the ones in the front, the sides, and the rear. They do come with a self-adhesive 3M tape to secure them. But as an extra precaution, we ended up getting these fasteners. I don't know if you can see them. They're clear fasteners, and they screw on with one screw. And Danny's being clutch and putting them on. We actually ended up wiring them already, so I was just testing them out. So this is how it looks under the side skirt. I ended up fastening the wires as well. And they have pretty clear instructions on how to wire them up. It's just pretty much follow the arrows. So it splits in the middle up front, and then it ends up terminating at the end. And this is how the rear ends up looking. So it's pretty straightforward. At this point, we're just waiting for it to get dark to see how it looks in the nighttime. But yeah, that's what we got so far. And I'm currently recording because Wiley's inside with his kids. So, yep.
Hey guys, so unfortunately I couldn't do everything I wanted to do to my car. Roy did get his low glow done though. We'll show you guys once the sun goes down. As you can see, the sun is still up. He actually left to go to his house real quick. We're gonna meet up to actually play some cornhole at the park later. But I kind of started wet sanding this, but as you can tell, it's definitely a work in progress. A lot more needs to be done to it. I was hoping to be done before there's a car show tomorrow, but you know, it is what it is. What you gonna do? So yeah, so we're gonna head over to the park right now and play some cornhole for you guys. I got everything right here. All right, guys. Update to the Rotate vlog. We're here. We're in the park. We're playing some cornhole. We got the Rotate board right there. Danny, what are we playing for? We're playing for pink slips of each other's car. Whoever wins gets the other person's car.
Yeah, you don't want my car, bro. It's a Honda Civic. They make disgusting faces.
Sitting pretty over there. We're waiting for Roy. He'll come through later, but let's see. Who's going first?
You go first.
I'll go first? All right. All right. You guys ready for this? Let's see. I haven't shot from this side, so. Yep, that was bad. I haven't shot from this side. All right, let me focus up. Time to clutch up. This is going in the hole right now. Woo! Almost. Woo! I love it. All right, y'all can't even see, but already some issues. Roy had it working. We were here at the park playing our cornhole. He came through and the wires came out. So now he's trying to fix that. We're also trying to get to this car meet, which I don't know. So dang stressful, but look at that. Wow, she's a beauty. Shout out to LOWGLOW. It's crazy. That's so nice. The white strobe like that is clean. That's crazy. That's insane. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It looks like we pulled up to a meet. Look who it is. It's Mr. Bankrupt Lex himself.
That's not me. You got that on video?
Yeah,
you gotta restart that.
I got it.
The Prime Razors.
Read the shirt.
I was just being lazy.
We're late because he already broke the logo. We had to fix it in the parking lot, yeah.
That's sad. You're gonna have to clip that.
Crazy. You think he'll do it again? You think he'll do it again?
Which one's better, RCF or LC?
Cost double that again.
What about the LFA?
So I wanna update you guys. We're in a heated conversation here. My wife is trying to sell a life insurance policy to my boy here, and he doesn't want to. And
She said the LFA rental.
she said he owns an LFA. He can afford one.
LFA. Where's the LFA?
Where's the LFA? Oh, it's right. Oh, wait, no.
That's
That's LFA's.
It's a lease.
That's LFA's dumb cousin.
It's a rental. It's a rental.
Come on.
It is done. Yeah,
He's
exactly.
trying his best.
Come
He's
on.
doing the best he could.
Business proposal.
Yo,
You get Wiley anytime you want. For a
anybody
whole
who
month.
sees this, you guys know you guys don't need no life insurance.
Yes,
it's a
you
scam.
Yo, it's a scam.
It's a scam.
Red,
Not a
yes or
scam.
no? Do you need life insurance?
You can't even get one.
Oh, you want a crab? Okay.
I can't even get a policy.
That's crazy.
Cancer lives, man. You know what I
You
mean?
had.
Cancer lives matter.
Remission.
He beat cancer.
Cancer lives
Guys.
matter, but not all of them. You know what I mean?
What do you think, Jace?
I ain't even part of this conversation.
Okay, guys.
Hey, that's a hard one.
Okay, my son just wants to see the
You
animals.
said I chow.
He wants to see an octopus.
He said you ain't ready.
Nah, you're ready. You're ready.
So Jose is like, oh, you don't need a ticket. Your spectators are free.
You know what's
Just
crazy?
goes to show that he thinks Wiley's not ready.
He thinks I'm not ready. So now I know his true intention.
And more of a reason for you to get the life insurance
Aw.
policy.
Dan,
You know,
in there. How many times have I sent the flyer in the post?
I was really considering making him a VIP member of Rotate. But now I don't know.
You got an elephant?
I can't qualify.
Can I
be a VIP member?
Yes, you can, Jace. When you get your Camaro.
My mom's CRV.
Baby, have your phone
From 93.
93.
Food, music, friends.
Friends! That's the best part!
Friends. Just don't go though. I can't have friends here, you know what I mean?
Can't have friends.
Can't have friends.
Yo, we were really trying to get your wife to surprise you and come with us to the meet, but she didn't want to.
Then I'll have to deal with it online.
Oh, I'm a tagger in this, bro.
You tag her in it, I can never be a part of it because everybody's gonna know my wife.
Dan, you got a Rotate band in your car?
I do.
That's
but
it.
My car's not here.
Okay, but that's it. I'm tired of hearing this guy's mouth. We're gonna get him one.
Mouth with an F?
And, yeah, mouth. And we're gonna put a Rotate band on that joint.
You just speak.
No, but you know what?
Yo.
Give me the definition of
We're canceled.
Definition of rotate?
Yeah,
To tate and to row.
Yo, Pedro's on for Rotate.
Yeah? We gotta make an order.
Vote for Pedro.
Y'all got money, make an order. Do that order.
We gotta meet the merch.
Vote for Pedro.
Vote for Pedro, bro.
Vote for Pedro.
Yo.
I don't put illegal stickers on my one.
Illegal.
Illegal, so what illegal?
Yo, that's the sexiest sticker here,
We can
bro.
on the boat.
Bro, I live in Massachusetts. Y'all guys live in CD.
What's wrong with that?
Yeah, I don't.
Funniest thing is that's taking a time and like watching them.
Okay,
We trying to glaze.
let's
Glaze
go.
for free.
Come on.
Rotate glazing.
New merch. New merch.
Yo, bro, Glaze by Jason. Vote for Pedro. Oh, rotate.
Yo, we gotta start writing this stuff down, but we gonna forget.
Hey, yo. Yo. Horse. The B car. Yo, the U-Haul's here. No way. No way it's him.
Nah, I hope he does it. He ruined the night if he does it.
Is it him? Yeah, it's gotta be.
Is that like his truck and we put the details on it?
That would be fire.
Yo, it's gotta be. Yo. You got the bikers, yo. Yo, it's gonna be us one day, bro. Rotate for real. We gonna have. I know.
Two motorcycles. Nobody wants to join me.
Well, I didn't know you back then. You didn't want to be my friend.
Hey, yo, he got LOWGLOW too.
Yo, he got the logo. Who did it better? Roy?
The cop car. Yo, we gonna put that on the reels.
Yo, that's a clean Corolla. JJ Rolla. Súbele. Jason, what would you do if a stock Tesla pulled up? It pulled up. Hey, yo.
First the Camaro, now the Tesla.
That's crazy.
The dream come true for you, bro.
No.
Not the Connecticut Street Warriors.
If I do good enough at my job, they'll give me
9:30 on the dot.
I do a door-to-door sales company.
We're going around or what?
This many sales, they'll give me a Tesla.
We're gonna go around or what?
I'm just selling and I get a better.
You say what did you just admit to?
I said that the meat was fire,
Oh, okay.
but the cops about to tell these guys,
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that?
Look how many people surround his LFA, bro.
Yo, it's crazy. It must be nice, bro. They're still over there. Yo, I think they're standing on the hood, bro. Guys,
Remember that time we were going to Florida and we had
I think
the...
I'm gonna get the twisted tea, bro. What we getting, Roy? What we getting? You want a Modelo? What you got? Jack Daniels? Oh, Blackjack Cola? That sounds good.
Yeah.
That sounds good. Where's that? Where was that?
Usually down for the peach one, so they didn't have it.
Oh, shoot. We need to just grab one?
Yeah, I wonder if they could just sell individual when we have...
You said late night meat? Tacos, papi. Tacos. I wish this was Houston, yo.
Backup camera, and I don't think I know the backup.
Guys, we...
I have a backup camera, I don't even use it.
See?
Danny. I'm sorry, bro. Yeah. the vlog continues. Late night, right?
It's almost out of work for this.
We call that a work, man. It's almost 1 in the morning.
Call that a work for this.
We out here.
You called out too?
We out here, yeah. Like we got Hector over here working, doing his magic.
Turn it back around.
Turn it back around. Hey, what's up?
Who can listen to call out?
The one and only. The crime razor. Come on,
Yeah,
man.
the crime ranger, the kappa.
He got the number on the back too.
Oh wow! Look at
He
that.
likes in the muscles.
Look at that. Yeah.
There is no
so-
muscles.